Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the keto diet and how you can be successful when following this eating plan. The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, low-carb diet that has been gaining popularity in recent years. It works by forcing your body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. Here are some tips to help you be successful on the keto diet. Plan your meals. Make sure to plan your meals in advance so that you know exactly what you'll be eating each day. This will help you stay on track and avoid making unhealthy choices. Eat healthy fats. When following the keto diet, it's important to eat healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These fats will help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is important on any diet, but it's especially important when following the keto diet. Make sure to drink at least 8 glasses of water each day. Be mindful of your protein intake. While protein is important on the keto diet, it's important not to overdo it. Too much protein can kick you out of ketosis, so make sure to keep track of your intake. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're struggling to stay on track, don't be afraid to ask for help. There are plenty of resources available online and in person to help you succeed on the keto diet. Remember, the key to success on the keto diet is to be consistent and patient. It may take some time to see results, but with dedication and hard work, you can achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe for more healthy living tips in the near future.